Oh my God, it's finally here. We are so excited because we are finally going on our first month away.
Yeah! Say yeah! Yeah!
And not only that, we have got our new car. Thank you, Jesus.
You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Oh, thank you, Dada. So we're showing you the car because we're going to be taking this on a road trip. All the doors come off, the windscreen comes down, the roof comes off. It's going to be fun.
We're going to show you a little bit more of the car in a minute, but you're going to be seeing a lot more of it in the coming month because we are going to 9 countries in 30 days.
And for those of you that are new to the channel and don't know what we're doing, we're going to be travelling the world month on, month off until this one goes to school. So come along for the journey, subscribe, hit the like, share, follow us on Instagram.
Back to our first trip tomorrow. We are leaving and we're going to go on the shuttle, which is the Eurotunnel. And we are going to end up in Calais.
And then we're going to go to Dunkirk.
Then we're going to go to Knockheist.
Then we're going to go to Brussels. No, we're not.
Then we're going to go to Bruges.
Then we're going to go to Bruges.
Then we're going to go to Brussels.
Then we're going to go to Luxembourg.
Then we're going to go to Stuttgart, Germany.
Then we're going to stay at Lake Constance, which is on the border of Switzerland and Germany.
Then we are going to go through the Swiss Alps down into Lake Como, Italy.
And then we're going to go across Italy to Genoa, which is on the coast.
And then we are going to travel down the Italian coast, down to Amalfi. And then where are we going?
And then we're going to go up to Monaco.
So then we're going to travel up from the south of France to Lyon, Dijon, Reims, and then back to Calais.
Back to Calais and then home.
And then home.
What a month.
What a month. So the next video you'll see of us will be about in a week's time, and when we're in Italy, things have slowed down a bit and we have a chance to edit our first week of videos. But you can keep up to date with our live updates by following our Instagram, which is at Elise and Lawrence. So we will see you soon. Yay! Nanas.
Say, see you soon.
Kisses. Well done, Nanas. Yay! That's a wrap.